Universal Decimal Classification, UDC. Introduction. The Universal Decimal Classification, UDC, is a widely used classification system that organizes knowledge into a systematic and hierarchical framework. It was developed to categorize all fields of human knowledge, aiming to create a universal system that could be applied internationally. The UDC was first published in the late 19th century and has since been revised and updated. The Universal Decimal Classification, UDC, has a rich history that traces back to the late 19th century and has evolved significantly since its inception. Here's a brief overview of its history. Origins. The UDC was developed by Belgian bibliographers Paul Otlet and Henri Lafontaine in the late 19th century as part of their efforts to organize and categorize knowledge in an efficient and systematic way. They aimed to create a classification system that could be universally applied across different subjects and languages. Brief history of UDC. First edition. The first edition of the UDC was published in 1898 under the title Universal Decimal Classification. A system of decimal classification arranged for the use of libraries, bibliographies, and indexes. It was initially based on the Dewey Decimal Classification, DDC, but expanded to cover a broader range of subjects. Development and expansion. Over the years, the UDC underwent several revisions and expansions to encompass a wider scope of knowledge. It incorporated input from various disciplines and experts to enhance its coverage and adaptability to diverse subjects and languages. International adoption. The UDC gained recognition and adoption worldwide, becoming a popular classification system used in libraries, documentation centers, and information services across different countries. Its multilingual capability and flexibility contributed to its widespread acceptance. Continuous updates. The development and maintenance of the UDC have been ongoing processes. Regular updates and revisions have been carried out to keep the classification system current, reflecting changes and advancements in knowledge across various fields. UDC Consortium. The maintenance and development of the UDC are managed by the UDC Consortium, an international non-profit organization formed to oversee the ongoing revision, expansion, and promotion of the UDC. The consortium ensures the system remains relevant and adaptable to contemporary knowledge organization needs. Throughout its history, the UDC has played a crucial role in organizing information and facilitating access to knowledge in libraries, documentation centers, and other information services globally. Its adaptability, hierarchical structure, and multilingual capabilities have contributed to its enduring relevance in the classification and organization of diverse subjects and resources. How many classes of Universal Decimal Classification, UDC? The Universal Decimal Classification, UDC, is organized into a hierarchical structure, consisting of several main classes that categorize knowledge into broad subject areas. The UDC comprises 10 main classes, denoted by numerical digits from 0 to 9. These main classes form the foundation of the classification system and serve as a framework for organizing knowledge. Each main class can be further subdivided into more specific subjects through the use of decimals. The 10 main classes of the UDC are 0. Generalities, Science and knowledge, Organization, Computer science, Information, Documentation, Librarianship, Institutions, Publication. 1. Philosophy, Psychology, 2. Religion. Theology. 3. Social sciences. 4. Language. Linguistics. Literature. 5. Natural sciences and mathematics. 6. Applied sciences. Medicine. Technology. 7. The arts. Recreation. Entertainment. Sport. 8. Language. Linguistics. Literature. Variant 9. Geography. Biography. History. These main classes cover a vast range of subjects and provide a foundation for further subdivisions into more specific topics and areas of study within each class. The hierarchical structure of the UDC allows for detailed classification of knowledge across diverse disciplines and fields. Key features of the UDC include decimal notation. The UDC uses a numerical notation system. Each main class is represented by a digit, from 0 to 9, and subclasses are indicated by adding decimals to the main class numbers. This allows for a hierarchical arrangement, with more specific subjects having longer decimal numbers. Faceted structure. Similar to other classification systems, the UDC employs a faceted approach. It divides knowledge into distinct main classes but also allows for the combination of different facets to create compound numbers that represent complex subjects. Standardized thesaurus. The UDC uses a controlled vocabulary and thesaurus, enabling consistency in the indexing and organization of subjects across various domains of knowledge. Multilingual capability. One of the strengths of the UDC is its adaptability to different languages and cultures. It has been translated into many languages, making it accessible and usable worldwide. Regular updates. The UDC is periodically revised and updated to reflect changes and advancements in knowledge across different disciplines.